Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to store Dhaniya Patta. First, choose fresh, vibrant bunches of coriander. Carefully inspect the leaves and remove any that appear yellowed, wilted, or damaged. Also, trim off any thick, woody stems. It's crucial not to wash the coriander at this stage, as excess moisture is the enemy of freshness. This initial preparation sets the stage for longer-lasting herbs. The next critical step is to ensure your Dhaniya Patta is completely dry. Lay the coriander on a clean, dry paper towel and gently pat it to absorb all surface moisture. You can also roll it loosely in the paper towel. Repeat this process with fresh paper towels until the leaves and stems are thoroughly dry. Any residual water will accelerate spoilage, so take your time with this step. Once your coriander is perfectly dry, it's time to wrap it for storage. Take a few sheets of fresh, dry paper towels and loosely wrap the coriander bunches. The paper towels will absorb any lingering moisture and create a protective barrier. Then, place the wrapped coriander into an airtight container or a resealable plastic bag. This prevents air exposure and maintains a stable environment. Finally, place your airtight container or bag of wrapped Dhaniya Patta in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. This area provides the ideal humidity and temperature for herbs. Remember to check the paper towels every few days. If they feel damp, replace them with fresh, dry ones. With these steps, your coriander can stay fresh and vibrant for up to 2 to 3 weeks, ready for your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.